had to pick one thing, it's probably the time savings. We just save an incredible amount of time as far as installing the no-coat product. You know, like I said, we'd have our carpenters, you know, they'd be up here snapping lines on all the corner bead and, you know, stapling on some metal beads and the radius beads. I mean, they would spend numerous amount of hours just making sure they're nice and straight and everything else. And the no-coat product, once they roll it, it's there and it's ready to go. Actually, we had 240 cartons figured per floor, and we used 180 total.
It don't take nearly as much as what the old stuff used to, but yeah, it saves a lot of mud.
Using the no-coat products, one of our biggest savings, I feel, is in the number of finishers. We had it figured for 30 finishers per floor, running 2 floors basically at the same time to meet their schedule. Well, with the no-coat products, we've cut our labor basically in half.
There ain't nobody gonna keep up with me. We've had guys working the top by hand, and I come underneath and I beat him. He's halfway around. By the time I'm already done.
We typically use a plastic archway bead on all of our radiuses. We had 10 days figured for a carpenter to install all these beads per floor. Using the no-coat archway, our finishers installed all the radius bead and the 90 straights in 2 days.
The product, I think, is awesome. It's one of the best things I've seen. I've been doing it for 22 years. I mean, it saves time, material. It's great.
We're very pleased with it. It's helped us in support of our schedule, and quality control is really what it's all about, and no coats delivered.
All in all, I think it saved the project time, and it's introduced a much better project.
I've never run bead with a box like this. It's just unbelievable. It's unbelievable. I don't use it on metal bead because it just takes too much mud, and it's not worth my time to do it because the box runs out so fast because it's so deep. You don't get chatters. It's just nice and smooth, consistent. Yeah, it's the most beautiful thing you're ever going to see in drywall. Well, I tell you right now.